On the 25th of August 2023, in Canberra, ACT, at around 2:30 a.m, police spotted a silver Holden Captiva driving on Limestone Avenue in Reid. Officers noticed the last letters on both of the car's number plates were obscured by a sticker and pulled the vehicle over. The driver was identified as Matthew Thomas Druitt, 29 years old. Further investigation revealed Druitt possessed an expired provisional licence, and police checks indicated discrepancies with the vehicle's number plates. Initially cooperative, Druitt's demeanour changed when asked to turn off his vehicle by a constable. Ignoring the officer's instruction, Druitt turned his steering wheel and accelerated forward. The constable, fearing for his safety, attempted to grab the key to turn off the car. In response, an officer deployed a taser, striking Druitt in the chest, causing the vehicle to lurch forward. Another officer had to run and catch the moving vehicle to turn off the engine.
Get out of the car, I'll taser you!
Get out of the car! 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 Already stopped!
Get out of the car!
Get out of the car now!
Get out of the fucking car!
You're gonna be tased again!
On your face! On your face! Now!
Give me your hands!
Alright.
You're gonna be tased again! Give me your hands!
Take that hand.
I got the hand.
You're under arrest
You're under arrest!
for failing to stop.
Oh man.
Stop moving your hands!
I'm gonna tase you again! You'll be drive stunned!
I promise I'm not. Oh man.
You right, Josh?
Yeah, good.
Give me that hand.
Yep.
Fucking sorry, boys. Fucking hell.
So I'm gonna caution you.
Yeah,
You don't have to say or do anything, but anything you do say or do, maybe using it as evidence, okay?
I'm sorry.
Alright.
C4s are I'm off with those units.
Oh man. I was thinking. This is fucking good coloring.
Matthew Druitt was charged with and pled guilty to drive a motor vehicle at police and driving while unlicensed. In court, Aboriginal Legal Service lawyer Sam Lynch stated Druitt was driving a friend home who had been drinking alcohol on the night of the arrest. Lynch attributed Druitt's actions to panic and a significant error in judgment, citing underlying mistrust of police. Prosecutor Tayden Kelleher argued that both Druitt and the police had been polite to each other until the motorist attempted to evade arrest. Justice Chrissa Lucas-Carlson handed down a sentence of 9 months imprisonment, suspended upon Druitt entering into a 12-month good behaviour order. Thanks for watching.